Hello everyone, this session will be solving past year's JEE main questions 2024, 2000, or 2023, maybe 2022 also. Let's see how much time we get. Then accordingly, I'll show you how to solve sums from the easiest topic which you are doing from class 10 syllabus. Okay? But you should remember, syllabus is not same as that of CBSE here. Arithmetic geometric series, some of you might have done, you have to use. Summation of those special series, I can remind you that sigma n square, all those things. Sigma n is what? Sigma n means sum of first and natural number. Sigma n means sum of first n natural number. This is nothing but 1, 2, 3 up to n. What's the sum of this series? N into n plus 1 by 2. Sigma n square, it is 1 square, 2 square, up to n square. The sum is n plus 1 to n plus 1 by 6. Sigma n cube, n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. I have taken sums in such a way that you will remember all the formula one by one when you are solving sums. If required, we will just turn the page and see the formula and then do it. Let us do 2024, what came in 27 Jan shift 2. The 20th sum from the end of the progression they have asked. This is the easiest sum. Why? Because if they have asked 20th term from the end, then we just change the order of the series. It was this way. We are writing like this: minus 129 1/4. Okay, this is the first term. Then 17 3 by 4. 18 1 by 2, 19 1 by 4, and 20. Obviously, this is arithmetic progression. Why arithmetic progression? Because if you find the difference, 18.5 minus 17.75, the result is how much? 0.75. 20 minus 19, 1 by 4, that is also 0.75. So this series will be in AP. It's an AP with A equal to and D equal to 0.75. 20th from end, when you are finding, it will be just T20. A plus 19D. A is what? 19 into 3 by 4. Okay, just simplify it. Just check. Hope you have understood. This is minus 129 minus 1/4, and this is plus 57 plus 1/4. These two get cancelled. So what's the answer? Minus 129 plus 57. Just do this and check. Check how much it's coming. Minus
70.
But minus 74 is not an option. Achha, this calculation, you just do it this manner too. 129 1/4. This is multiplication is coming minus 517/4 plus 57/4. How much is coming? Just check. Zero.
Minus
460. Yeah.
115 minus 100.
This by 4, that is. So you have done the simplest problem. They have asked in 2024. Go for next one. See, A, B, C are in AP and these are in GP. This is also not difficult one. Given these are in AP and these are in GP. Then arithmetic mean of A, B and C. So when these are in AP, then A will be what?
C plus B by
C plus D.
B.
No. Common difference be D. So A is 3 plus D. B 3 plus 2D. And C 3 plus 3D. Okay? Let us find the relation between or value of D if we can. These are in GP, no? Add C A minus 1 B plus 1 are in GP. Therefore, A minus 1 whole square going to be 3 into B plus 1. This implies what? Just put the value of A over there. 2 plus D whole square 3 into B plus 1. B is what? Isn't it? Just to put the value of B. So 4 plus 4D 9. Just solve it. D square minus 2D. So what does this imply? D minus 4 and D plus 2 0. D cannot be minus. Can it be? Check once. Can be minus also. D can be 4. So with these two solutions, let us check. With D equal to 4, what do you get? A is what? 7. B is 11. C is 15. So, arithmetic mean of A plus B plus C is A, B and C will be A plus B plus C by C. This is 33 by 3. This is equal to 11. Since one option is correct, we should not proceed with the other option. Okay? If d equal to minus 2, you can check once. For d minus 2, a is what? 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 3. That average will be minus 1. So with that, this is also coming. Then which one will you take? Normally, one option is correct. Are you doing any mistake? Or B and D both are correct? Doing one mistake over there. Because then 3a minus 1 will be what? 3, 0. If you take d equal to minus 2, then one of the term of GP coming to be 0, which is not possible. Okay, you could have checked it earlier. So d can never be equal to minus 2. You understand why? For d minus 2, this term is becoming 0. One of the term of the GP is 0. Not possible. And this I have seen in other years also, this kind of question, asking problem on the common term. Okay. So just go through the sum. Some of the common terms in them is equal to what? This we have to find. 3, 7, 11, this came in 2024, February shift 1. 1st February shift 1. These are two arithmetic progression. Some of the common terms in them is equal to what? My suggestion, to reduce the time, you find a few common terms. For that, what to do? Tell. For that, what to do? You need to write more terms over there. Okay? We'll be writing more number of terms over there. Not only those few. So write a few more terms from this given series. First series 3, 7, 11, 15, till next one 19, 23, common difference you know, 31, 35, 39. That's enough. This is first one. What about the second one? 2, 5, 8, 11, then tell 14, 20, 23, 26, 29, 32, 35. I hope we are getting few terms common. Let us find those common terms here. 11 is the first common term. Okay? Then 23 is the next common term. Then 35 is the next common term. Isn't it? You have to find the sum of those common terms. So write the series here. Which sum you are going to find? It will be 11, 23, 35. So how many terms are there? Here you are getting A11 and D equal to 12. Okay? So 403 is in a term of the series. The number of terms can be found easily. Let's start with that. Let 403 equal to Tn. A plus Tn, not T3. A plus n minus 1 into D. So 403 equal to A. A is what? 11. N minus 1 into 12. So n minus 1 is what? 403 minus 11 by 12. How much? 33. So n coming to be 34. You agree or not? It's coming to be n minus 1, 33. So n must be equal to 34 by 12. 33. Do the division. I got the
It's
right.
coming 396.
Is it?
Yes, sir. 33 will be
12, 36, 32. Oh, then how much? 32 point something. So this is 33 point something. Probably it's going to be 33. Let's check this one also with 404. 404 equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into 12. How much is coming? Check once. No, again the same problem. N is coming what here? 1 plus 32 point something. So both are saying that n will be equal to 33. Isn't it? Not more. Then you can find the sum easily. So what's the answer to this question? There it will be, then a plus sum you have to find. This is the series we have written there. And number of terms also we got 33. So required sum will be what? 33 by 2 twice a plus 32 into d 12. Just find this sum. That is the answer. Hope you have understood. This multiplication you can do. No need to waste time here. Go for the next problem. Because option not given there, I am not continuing. So do number 4 now. Try. Number 4. This problem sheet already shared with you. Do. Start. Sn denotes the sum of the first n terms of an AP. S10 equal to 390. Ratio of 10th and 5th terms given. Then what is the value of S15 minus S5? Not a difficult sum. This JEE sum you can complete with your class 10 performance only. Isn't it? Something like that. So you write the value of Sn first. N into n plus 1 by 2, isn't it? S10 390. So 10 by 2 twice a plus 9d this you keep number 1. Next one given ratio of 10th. (15 by 7). 310 is what? So this will be what? This is number 2. Everything done. AJ equal to 3D, you substitute there, isn't it? Then you can find A or D, whatever required. Then find S15 and S5, their difference. So from 1 and 2, five, 390, and 2 is what? 3D by 4. So just write 3D by 4, 90 equal to 390 by 5. 39D by 4. So 39, 10, 2. D is coming 8. If D is 8, then 2A equal to, that is 6. So A equal to 3. A 3 and D 5. So now everyone can find the value of this thing. S15 is what? You do it with me. This is my suggestion. 2A and do faster than me. Check your answer with me. This minus, again, twice A plus 4 into 8. So how much is this? 45 minus 15, 30. And here, just do this thing. You can simplify here also. Just do simplify before. 15 into 3 plus 56 minus 5 into 3 plus 16. 59 into 15. Five into 19.
840.
So take 5 as common. Whatever you are getting. 59 into 3
840.
is coming 840. So I am just putting that. If you have any problem, you just tell me. 840 is the option? No. Please check once. 840 is not an option. Please find the right option.
So 910 as
790 will be the right option. Please check. Some mistake is there. Check once. The third position is wrong. It will be 790. Just check. 150, 27, no? So 167 minus 90. Hi, is coming.
the last is 0, yes.
And the strategy for solving these sums will be like this. S15 minus S5, you write. Put a and d at the end. 5 by 2 twice a plus 4d. 15 by 2, you take 2a by 2 common, a into 10. This plus 105 minus 10, 95d. Here you put, you'll get the answer quickly. 10a, A is how much? How much you got the value of A?
2.
A is 2.
No, 3.
So it will be 30 and D value 8.
800.
So 720 and 40, 760 and 30, 790 is the option. 790. Here also expected to get the same thing. Maybe I have done some mistake. Next one is very challenging. Solve it first. Next one means this number 5. Read the sum. Three successive terms of a GP with common issue are greater than 1 length of sides of triangle. And this one is what? Greatest integer function. You know it very well. This stands for greatest integer function. Then you have to find the value of this thing. 3r plus 3 modulo r plus modulo minus r. Some properties you remember, if it is integer, modulo r will be r only. Modulo minus r will be minus r only. Let's see whether you are getting integer or not. But how to solve, how to apply the concept here. 3 successive terms of a GP. Oh my God. Just a minute. With common ratio are greater than 1. So let us do it here. Length of 3 sides, how many ways you can take? AR square. No other information given. But this is a triangle. So sum of 2 sides must be greater than the third side. Sum of the lengths of 2 sides greater than the length of third side. Agree or not? This is greater than the length of third side. So what are the conditions you are getting over there? Check once. Based on that we will get. Just check what are the conditions you are getting. Then A plus AR will be greater than AR square. AR plus AR square will be greater than A. Just use it. See what kind of conditions you are getting. R restriction will come out. Understood? Just use sum of length of 2 sides. What you are getting? AR square. Then AR plus AR square is greater than A. And then A plus AR square is greater than AR. Isn't it? So from 1 or 2, whatever you can take, from 1 what you are getting?
1 plus r greater than r square.
R square minus r minus 1 less than 0. Just divide both sides by a. From 1, from 2 what do you get? Probably we will get some conditions from here. Third one we need not take. Let us take 1 and 2 first. What is the value of r if you factorize? R is what? R will be what? On factorization, it is 2 factors. 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. And what are the factors of second one? Tell. R equal to b square minus 4ac, isn't it? But when product less than 0, you are doing it from class 11, when product greater than 0, what condition you get on inequality? Tell. For first one is coming 1 minus root 5 by 2, the other one coming. So product less than 0 means R value, product will have to be less than 0. So R must lie in this interval. Am I correct? But this one negative. Then from second one, what do you get? What are the critical points here? And this one, isn't it? But this is greater than 0. So this region and this region, this one and this one, but R cannot be negative, so you cannot take this part. So what condition you are getting? R greater than and R less than 1 plus root 5 by 2. Tell me what integer is possible there then? What value of R you will accept? Tell. One only, because this is how much? It's a fraction. This one 3.23 by 2, means 1 point something, and this one point something. So this indicates that R is equal to 1. Therefore 3R modulo 1, this is what? Answer is 2. No, I did a mistake over there, I think. Probably typing mistake. It was 2 into minus r. When I did with class 12 students, I was getting 2 into whatever. If I have given this question, answer is this. If 2 into minus 1 is there, answer is there. Okay, probably I have missed typing part there. Go for next one. I'll solve a few more and then we'll approach the remaining sums. Go for the next sum here. you are going to solve this one. Number of common term you don't do it with me. Because we have just done one sum, no? This came in 2024, 27 Jan. So do this one now. Question is there. If this thing is equal to this, find the value of P. It has come to the next page. Question is there also, partly. I'm showing you. The value of P is what? Got it? Question is there. If A is equal to this thing, then find the value of P. Number 7, question number 7 we are solving. It came in 2024, 27th Jan. Try. Can you solve? Check. This series, if you split, then 8 plus 8 equal to infinite GP is there in your syllabus, no? 3 plus 3 by 4, 3 by 4 square, 3 by 4 cube, up to infinity, and next one is what? P by 4, 2p by 4 square, 3p by 4 cube, up to infinity. Okay? Now, what is the sum of the first series? Can you tell me? 3 by 4 like that. This is infinite GP. So if we take this one S1 and this one S2, we can find their value separately. What is the value of S1? Tell A by 1 minus R. Remember? Infinite GP sum. What is A over there? 3. 3 by, this is 4. S2 how to find? Tell P by 4, 2p by 4 square. We'll go by method of difference. This way up to infinity. You multiply by 1 by 4 and start writing from here. P by 4 square, 2p by 4 cube, up to infinity. Okay? Now subtract. So 3 by 4 is 2 equal to P by 4 plus, what about this thing? P by 4 square, P by 4 cube. This is also infinite GP. What's the sum? P by 3. So S2 is what? S2 going to be 8p by 9. This you got S2. And S1 what have you got? That is 4. So substitute there. 8 equal to S1. S1 is what? 4. And this is, therefore, 8p by 9 is equal to 4. How much? Check once. S2 is coming 4p by 9. We are wrong. 4p by 9, not 8p by 9. Okay. So this implies P equal to 9. Isn't it? Understood? Next one is challenging and very interesting sum. Number 8. If you can, you try once. 8th one. Oh no, not common, not challenging. I mixed up with another one. This is not very challenging. You can do it. No? In a GP of 64 terms, sum of all the terms is 7 times the sum of all terms of the GP. Common ratio of the GP. Just 2 step sum. Try once. GP series, no? Just try. GP of 64 terms. So, you take GP this manner. AR square and AR to the power 63. Sum of all terms is what? 64 terms. This you know very well. This is S1. Sum of all terms is what? S2. Tell. All terms start from where? AR square, AR4, like this. So sum of all terms, there will be 32 in number. So there will be bound ratio R square. See how easy sum is this? If you have your mentality to excel in the exam, you can do it easily. Just reading and then doing the sum. Common ratio R square here. Now is the condition given?
7 times.
Just use the condition given. This is S2 and S1. So given S1 equal to 7 into S2. Just put. Don't sleep in class. This by R minus 1 A getting cancelled. This thing also getting cancelled. R minus 1 term getting cancelled. So R is coming 6 in my calculation. I got 6. What to do? Okay. Understood?
So 7 should be left side.
So R plus 1 coming to be 7.
Yes,
R
so
square minus
all
1 is R
terms
plus 1, R minus 1. It get cancelled with this. You do it in your copy. Coming that one. R is 6. Okay. None of it is difficult, but some questions they will ask in competitive where calculus concept may be required. Next one, I guess calculus concept is required. You understand why? Sixth term given and this product is maximum. Maximum minimum concept. I hope you remember it. First order derivative will be 0. If second order derivative negative, it will be maximum. Second order derivative is greater than 0, it will be minimum. So let us do it. Number 9. Try once, then I will do. A1, A4, A5 is the greatest. You take the series this manner. A plus D like this. A6, 2. Therefore, A plus 5D is 2. And what about this product? This product is what? A1, A4, A5. A1 is what? A, A4 is, and A5. You agree or not? Is it okay? Check. Now this P changed to what? A. A means A plus 3D means and A plus 4D means so the product has come this form. Okay? How to find its maximum value? I just remind you the technique. Maximum minima concept. We are going to find maximum value of this. For maximum or minimum value of P, dP by dt should be 0. D we have taken common, that's why. What is the derivative? Tell. First term derivative 2 minus 2d. This one little bit bigger. Second term derivative minus 2 into this 2. All of you know this derivative. By 2 minus 5d. And last one 2 minus 5d. This into minus 1 equal to 0. Just do this calculation. It is minus 5 till 4 plus 2d square. Some problems are there, you have to think, no? 4 plus 5d square, 12d, and this is 4 plus 10d square minus 14d equal to 0. Just check what is the derivative of this thing. Minus 10d square, minus 10d square, minus 10d square. Okay. 30d, 24d, 54d, minus, plus. Please check. And here, minus 28, Alright? So, dp by dt coming this form. That is 15 d square I just divided by 2. Check, check.
Yes, sir. Minus 24t minus 10. Middle.
No.
Huh?
Minus 24 minus 10. Sure.
Yes, sir.
So 15 d square so this implies how much?
CD.
Thank you for your information. So D is going to be 8 by 5 and 2 by 3. Okay? They asked you to find the common difference. 1 we have got. But which one? 8 by 5 or 2 by 3? Two options are there. Then what to do? You have to go for second order derivative. How to? How much? Second order derivative of this thing.
Minus 60 plus 60.
Minus 60d plus 68 for this is how much?
For d is equal to 8 by 5.
So it's coming less than 0. And for d 2 by 3 this is how much? Minus 40 plus 68. This is more than 0. So which one is going to be correct? If second order will be less than 0, then it will be maximum. If greater than 0, then it will be minimum. So answer is this thing. 2 by 3. Okay? Understood? Now this is the time to start yourselves. Alright, just let me check out of these questions I have taken here, which one is very difficult. I can help you. This one S20 this one only very interesting, number 11. This will be the last sum. I will solve it for you. Try number 11 before I start. Do. Can you do it? You can. If you try, then you can. If you don't try, then you will never get. You have to find S20 minus S18. Okay? Each term of this geometric progression with A1, 1 by 8. So first term, 1 by 8 given. And one term is the arithmetic mean of other next two, means A1 equal to, this is true, okay, this one also true. You understand? If you take a kth term, AK will be Alright? Now, first time you know, if you can find the common ratio, then everything is done. Can I get common ratio from here by using this thing? Check once. A1 is what? 1 by 8. I think we are getting. Check once. So R going to be what? Hey, R going to be what? Factorize it. R plus 2, R minus 1, 0. Isn't it? If you factorize, just do the factorization. Ooh. We are doing this sum. Which one? Yeah, this one. So this on factorization will give you what? This implies, so R is minus 2 and 1. Check once. R cannot be 1, then it will not be GP, no? Then you can easily substitute there. S20 will be what? And A into, just put it there. Done. Okay? So I hope you will be able to do the other sums. You try now. Few are left.